Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to make the Chinese dish Maggi. You need 1 pack of Maggi noodles, 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil, 1 green chili, 7 to 8 garlic cloves, 1 onion, 1 tomato, mixed veggies, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander cumin powder, salt, and fresh cilantro or coriander leaves. Firstly, wash and finely chop all vegetables, chili, and garlic. Add in the oil and heat the oil in a pot. Add green chili and garlic. Cook until garlic is lightly golden and add onion and saute until translucent. Do not overcook garlic. Now, add beans, carrot, and capsicum and stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Now, add chili powder, turmeric, coriander, cumin powder, and salt. Add the Maggi masala packet and stir in tomatoes and cook for 1 minute until softened. Now, all you have to do is pour in 2 cups water and bring to a boil and add Maggi noodles and cook for 3 to 4 minutes, stirring occasionally. And finally, add freshly chopped coriander leaves and mix well, then serve hot. A pro tip, for a richer Indo-Chinese flavor, you can add a dash of soy sauce or chili sauce before adding noodles, and your Maggi is ready to eat. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.